Alright guys, what is up? Today I am fixing my tilted intercooler. It's pretty much broken right now, but let me pull off my bumper and show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright guys, as you can see, my front mounted intercooler is really tilted. It's just definitely not level. It looks horrible. It just isn't helping anyone, honestly. It definitely has probably an extra boost leak because of this portion, but luckily all I was waiting for was for a new pipe, just like on the right side, that one. This one right here, I needed a 90-degree bend to fix that little 90-degree bend right there. I just didn't have the right coupler, but I bought one and it's here. So now we are going to remove that piece right there, the silver one, and the two couplers, the two black ones, the one right there as well as the one right there, and then we're going to be putting this there instead. So it should bring the whole left side of this intercooler up higher and hopefully level it out. I might have to do some minor adjusting, but hopefully the plan goes well and it'll be pretty even after that. So let's get to installing this 90-degree bend. Alright guys, the intercooler is now level for the most part. It has a zip tie just holding it up right now, as you can see, but once that pipe is on, then I can start making the mounts. It will hang a little bit higher to the left as well because the zip tie is just not that tight. As I said, it's just holding it in place. Alright guys, that top left port right there needs to be connected still, so I'm going to connect that real quick. Basically just pushes on, nothing too crazy. I want it like all the way on so it's really tight. You could put the clamp on first right here so that way you could slide it down, but my clamps are really easy to work with, so I'm just going to slide it around and then clamp it after. Alright guys, as you can see, the intercooler is pretty much level. It's a little bit tilted to the right there, but that's mostly because this pipe right here is too short. This one is, so I had to like basically kind of stretch that. So that's why the intercooler is tilted slightly forward on like the bottom, I guess you'd say. But once I get home in a few days, I can grab the correct pipe that has not been cut down at all, and then it will be perfect and it will be completely level. But basically that is how I fixed it, and it looks a million times better. Alright guys, the intercooler is now pretty much fixed and my bumper is on, so let's go for some sound clips and flybys. Alright guys, that was me fixing my tilted intercooler that was kind of broken, had a boost leak. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it'll be in the description below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.